Morning dear students, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn the reading comprehension of the lesson Born Again Arunima Sinha. So let us read. Question A, write T for true and F for false for these sentences. Okay, the first sentence is Arunima Sinha was attacked by robbers on a train to Delhi. Yes, she was attacked by the robbers while she was in the train. She was traveling from Lucknow to Delhi. So this sentence is true. Next, second, it was during her period of recovery at AIIMS that she thought of climbing Mount Everest. When she was injured, badly injured, at that time she was in hospital in the AIIMS while she was thinking of climb Mount Everest. So her dream was to climb Mount Everest. So this sentence is true. Next, in the hospital, Arunima read books on engineering. False. She read the books of mountaineering who climbed the mountains. Okay, so this sentence is false. Next, Rohanda Graham of Australia is the first amputee to climb the Mount Everest. This is the false sentence. Rohanda Graham, she is from USA, not from the Australia. She is also first amputee to climb Mount Everest. Amputee means here her one of the body part has removed from their body. Okay, so this sentence is false. Fifth, Arunima was awarded the Padma Shri Award. Correct. This sentence is true. She was awarded by the Padma Shri Award. Okay. Let us continue. The question B, read the sentences, answer the questions that follow. First, here given the sentence. With the help of this sentence, we have to find the answer of this question. See the sentence. Now that you have read, you have already conquered your winner Everest. First question, who said these words to whom? Who said this sentence to whom? Okay, let us see. Bachendri Pal said these words to Arunima Sinha when she was in the hospital in the long period of recovery. She read the books of mountaineers and at that time she was encouraged and motivated. She was motivated herself to her dream. So the Bachendri Pal said these words. What she said? Know that you have already conquered your inner Everest. Okay. See the big question. What does the speaker mean by inner Everest? Answer. Bachendri Pal has referred inner Everest when Arunima was struggling to walk using her artificial legs during the long days of recovery at AIIMS. Let us see C question. What did the listener do thereafter? Who is the listener here? Arunima. Answer. Arunima is here listener. Arunima was encouraged by these words and signed up for the training under Bachendri Pal at the Uttarkashi camp of the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation in 2012. Let us see the question 2. Here is given the sentence from the passage. Just a bit more and you shall be there. Question A. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. Arunima said to herself. This sentence she said when she was climbing the Mount Everest. At that time she was said to herself, just a bit more you shall be there. Means you shall be there means you will be reached on the summit of the Mount Everest. Okay. B question. What place is there? Answer. It refers to the summit of Mount Everest. Summit means point of the huge point means here top of the point is called Mount Everest. C. Why did the speaker say these words? Answer. The speaker said these words to motivate herself. She was in the pain, and one false step would have meant falling to the death in the crevasse below. Why she said this sentence to herself? In this sentence, in this question, let us see the answer. The speaker said these words to motivate to herself. And when she was walking with her pain, and if one false step would have means here she will fall into the crevasse. It is called the death zone. Okay. Let us see the question C. Answer these questions. First, describe the incident that changed Arunima's life. Answer. The incident on 11th April 2011, it changed Arunima's life. That she was traveling from Lucknow to Delhi by the train. In between, the robbers snatched her gold chain and bag. Then they pushed her out of the running train. She was unable to move due to the severe injury. Severe means badly injured. She was when the robbers her fall down from the train. She was badly injured. At the same another train. At the same time, another train passed. Right here. At the same time, another train passed from the opposite side, ran over her legs. Let us see second. How did Arunima prepare herself in the hospital to pursue her dream? Pursue means she has to complete her dream. She was continue on her dream. See the answer? Arunima prepared herself. She spent her time listening about mountaineering. She loved reading about the challenges faced by climbers who had conquered Mount Everest. When she was in the period of long recovery, at that time she was watching and reading the about or listening about the mountaineering. She also loved reading about challenges faced by the climbers and who had conquered Mount Everest. Full stop. Let us see the third. What is the dead zone? Why is it called? Why is it so called? Answer. The dead zone is 8,000 meters above sea level. Mountaineers who those lost their life there were sharp ridges, icy slopes. One false step could fall into a deep crevasse below. Why did it call its dead zone? Because it's so dangerous and it is 8,000 meters above the sea level. The mountain also who those lost their life. There were sharp ridges, icy slopes. If one's false step could fall into the deep crevasse below. Okay. Fourth, what did Arunima do when she reached the summit? When she reached on the point of the Mount Everest, what she has done? What she has done? Answer. Arunima proudly planted the Indian tricolor on top of the summit. She also pushed a note wrapped in the cloth into the snow, thanking the Almighty for helping her achieve her dream. When she was climbed the summit of the Mount Everest, she was hosting the tricolor. Means here Indian tricolor is a flag. She was hosted the flag on the top of the summit, and she pushed a note where she wrapped in the cloth into the snow, and she said thank you the Almighty means a God for helping her to achieve her dream. Okay. Fifth, what is described as Arunima's life in the reading passage? What has described about Arunima's life? See, answer. Arunima runs a non-profit school for the underprivileged and specially able children. The school the school Shahid Chandra Shekhar Azad Vikalang Khel Academy. It is known as the Shahid Chandra Shekhar Azad Vikalang Khel Academy is Arunima's life. Okay. So all of you write the question answer in your notebook and read and learn.